little residual check from my commercial, and I thought, hey, how about I get the guys a little thank you to pay them back? So, Sheldon, ta-da!
A vintage mint-in-box 1975 Mego Star Trek transporter with real transporter action. Hot darn!
Where did you get that?
From Stuart at the comic book store.
You went to the comic book store by yourself?
Yeah. It was fun. I walked in and 2 different guys got asthma attacks. Felt pretty good.
Well, this calls for an expression of gratitude.
Ooh, am I about to get a rare Sheldon Cooper hug?
No, not this time. Then they wouldn't be special. Thanks, Penny.